Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to update your Google Chrome online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to update your Google Chrome, first open it on your computer as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the top right corner of your Google Chrome you will be able to spot the three dotted icon over here. Simply click on that three dotted icon like this, and after that click on help, and there is the about Google Chrome available for us. Simply click on the about Google Chrome like this, and over here guys you can directly see it was checking the update. Since my Chrome is up to date, there is no update available, but if your Chrome needs an update, the checking will be a little longer and it will be scanning a Google's server for a new update. And the moment if your Google Chrome needs an update, there will be a relaunch button available over here, and the moment the Google Chrome sends you an update or shows you the Google Chrome needs an update, there will be a relaunch button available, and a certain criteria will be over here, which says the almost update for ready for, and you will be required to relaunch for the update to happen. It will say something like this, and the moment you press on the relaunch button available over here, if your Google Chrome needs an update, after you relaunch it, your Google Chrome will be updated from over here. And there, this is how you update your Google Chrome. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.